Another good place to put your primary keyword is in the title of the page. So when I search on Google, Pizza Hut, I see this. Pizza Hut, pizza deals, pizza delivery, order, pizza online. Pizza Hut's primary keywords are pizza deals, pizza delivery, and order pizza online. And they've just simply put them in their page, so if someone searches for any of these three terms, search engines will know it's related to Pizza Hut and will list the Pizza Hut website. Your title should be a short and descriptive overview of each page in your site. If you're selling mobile phones, back covers, and chargers, the title of your homepage should include all three keywords like My Online Shop, New Phones, Trendy Covers, and Reliable Cheap Chargers. Now you should have at least 3 pages on your site, one dedicated to phones and the other for covers and one for chargers. Title for the page dedicated to phones would be something like My Online Shop, the latest new phones for cheap online. And same for covers and chargers. What I'm trying to say is the title for the homepage should be a title for your entire site. The title for the subpages in your site should be related to the topic and not universal for the entire site. Having a keyword in your title has high importance, and you should put related keywords in every page title. In WordPress, you can set it up for each page on your site, and for HTML, it goes between the title tags. Now, an important tip: keep your title under 65 characters so it's completed on search page and doesn't get cut off. An important thing to keep in mind is just don't throw random keywords in your title for the sake of SEO. These titles appear on search results, and a user reads the title and decides to click on your website. So your title should be engaging enough to grab their attention and make them click it. Remember, if you're making your site optimized for your audience and focusing on the ease for your audience, you'll start to rank better automatically because Google and other search engines are changing their SEO factors in such a way that makes it easier for a visitor to find websites they'd be interested in, and that they're presented with quality content. Now, let's talk about meta description. Let me search Buy Pizza Online. Now, on the results page, I can see this set of data for each search result. The big bolded blue text is the title. Below that is the link, and this paragraph is called the meta description. In HTML, this is the text that goes in the meta tag, and for WordPress, you can use a plugin such as Yoast to edit these meta descriptions. If you don't set the meta description, Google will automatically take the first few lines of text from your website and make it your meta description. Another tip: keep meta description less than 160 characters for the same reason as the title. If we relook at the image I showed you earlier, we can see some of the words being highlighted in the meta description by Google. These are the keywords I searched for, and since these are highlighted, it means the search engines read the meta description and they found it's related to our search query and highlighted the keywords. So I highly suggest you to put your keywords in your meta description.